So today we are going to learn about different libraries in um, Python idle. So first, I'm going to teach you how to use pandas or the library called pandas. First, we should know what is panda. So pandas is a powerful open source Python library for data analysis and manipulation. It provides fast and flexible tools to work with structured data like spreadsheets, SQL, tables, or time series, making it one of the most widely used libraries in data science and analytics. So, key facts lang po about pandas. So, yung origin ng pandas na library is ginawa siya ni Wes McKinney noong 2008, and the name pandas comes from panel data and Python data analysis. So, yung pan sa panel, then da sa data. So, dun po kinuha. So, it is designed to make working with relational or label data easy and intuitive. So, ngayon, since meron na tayong um, short background about pandas, pwede na tayo mag-start mismo doon sa paggamit ng pandas. So, dito, meron na po ako ditong ginawang file. So, I have here already a file where name panda kung saan natin gagawin yung codes na related dito sa ating library gagamitin, which is the pandas nga. Yeah. So, first is, pwede start na tayo. So, yan. So, sa pandas space. As I said kanina, medyo related talaga or gamit na gamit po si pandas alongside with other libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. So, dito, pwedeng any variable or created data, pwede nyo yung gawin. Dito is, ang aking gagawin is about sa grades and ano lang, gagawa lang tayo ng table. Um, so, city naman is Manila, Cebu, Davao, Manila again, then Cebu ulit. Ayan. Since may data na tayo, na-enclose na natin, meron tayong apat na, what do you call this? Apat na set nung data, which is the name, age, and the score. Then, ayun lang, tuloy lang tayo. Pwede natin i-print yung original data. Then, print natin yung mismong df. Ayan. So, ito na yung starting natin. Pwede natin. So, pag nirun natin to, F5, ayan. As in, here. Ayan. Kita natin dito. Ayan yung name, yung age, score, and the city. So, ayan po yung nagagawa ni Pandas. So, hindi lang yan yon. We can do more to Panda. Such as, pwede tayong gumawa ng, i-inspect natin yung data frame, selections, filtering, i-group natin and aggregate, add tayo ng columns, magsusort tayo, mag-handle tayo ng missing datas, also pwede tayo mag-time series example, and i-save. So, iisa-isahin natin yon. Hindi, so inuna ko lang to yung paggagawa nung sa database. Yeah, next natin. Next is we are to inspect naman po ang ating gagawin naman natin yung second ano natin, which is to inspect and the selection. So for that, ito. For that is so for inspection ng data, and that next is the selection. since after that, pwede na natin i-run, which is FNF5. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, ito yung kanina natin nakita. Next is yung info naman. We have range index. We have 5 entries since meron nga tayo ditong 5. Which is itong 5 to. Yan. Tapos, we have here 5 non-null objects and integers. Ayan, yung mga types. Yung sinasummarize niya lang yung mga laman nito. We have here integers and mga non-numeric datas. Then, ayan, statistical summary. Ayan. Yung statistical summary natin. Then, next is yung mga select name data type objects natin is we have yung Annabelle and Carlos, Diana. And yung select first row natin. Yung since ang nilocate natin is itong index 0, ang makukuha natin is lahat yung nauuna. Kasi naka-B0 lagi tayo. So, Ana, 2088, and Manila. Dapat ay yung lalabas dun sa ating last table, which is, ayun, yeah. Yan. So, ayan pa lang yung iba. So, move on tayo dun sa next few, what do you call this, functions ni Pandas, which is the filtering and group by and aggregation. So, dito naman sa filtering, yung may mga inaayos lang tayo and pinifilter din. Yung sa aggregation, yeah. So, up ko muna yung ano, then lagyan natin yung next. Yan. So, next natin is yung filtering. So, students yan. So, ito is we are about to filter yung mga students lang na above 21 years old. Then, next is yung grouping. Aggregation. Next natin is average score by city. Ayan. Yan. So, then pwede na nating i-run. So, dito sa filtering, dapat ang makukuha lang natin is sina Ben, which is 22, si Carlos, at saka si Ella. So, try natin kung ayun yung ilalabas. FNF5, then, okay. Ayan. As you can see, si Ben, si Carlos, and si Ella yung lumabas. Then, yeah. Yung sa ito yung sa score, average score by city, kasi we have 2 from Cebu, 1 from Davao, tama, 1 from Davao and 2 from Manila. So, in-average niya lang per city. And, off natin. Move on tayo dun sa next natin na gamitin, which is we can sort and handle missing datas naman. So, yung sorting is, pwede mo siyang isort by age. Pwede natin gawin siyang mauna si Ana, next si Diana, then Ben, then Ella, then Carlos. Or pwede din naman by score. So, pwede natin, may different sortings tayo na pwedeng gawin. So, ang gagawin muna natin is sorting, then move on tayo doon sa handling missing datas. So, move on tayo, which is the sorting. So, yung handling. Yan. So, itong dalawa na to, yung check naman natin. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yun, yung missing values natin. Ayan. Dito yung sa missing values, tinan nyo, itong part ni Carlos is tinanggalan natin. Then, tinry natin i-fill yung kay Carlos na mean. So, ginamit natin yung mean para magkaroon ng grade or score si Carlos. Kaya naging from 88, as where's Carlos? Carlos here is 75, 79. No, so, naging 88 para maging passing yung general mean nila. So, sa sorted naman is we are descending kasi we write ascending equals false. So, from greatest to least tayo, which is si Ben naka 92, then 90, sunod ay 88, then 85, and si Carlos which is 79. So, ayun, then last tayo for this video, which is last part ng tutorial natin for pandas, which is the time series example. We are to make a time series example using this set of data. Yan. So, pag sinabi natin time series example, siya yung syempre may time we have January 1, January 2, January 3. Sunod-sunod and walang napuputol. So, move tayo sa last function na ituturo ko for today's tutorial ng pandas, which is the time series example. So, ito na yung last. Then, we'll save natin. And 5, then run. Ayan. So, as you can see, nagkaroon tayo dito ng time series data for each value. 50, 64, 64. Kasi, we randomize yung values nila per day. Hindi na natin ginawa yung kinuha natin yung mismo dito. So, we randomize na lang. Kaya, we have here yung nag-randed tayo. So, 60, 64, 95. Then, using that time series data, hinanap natin yung rolling average with a window tree. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng values here. So, that is only some functions ng pandas na you can use. It has a lot more. Pwede kayong kumuha ng means, standard deviation, and so on and so forth. So, for now, ito lang muna. And for the next video, I'm going to teach you naman how to use NumPy along with Pandas then. And after that, I'm going to teach you how to plot the data using Matplotlib. I hope you learn some information or gather some information from me about how to um, use pandas in your codes as a programmer or as a BS Math student. And that's all for today. Thank you.